What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I increased my WordPress website speed by up to 50%. All right, welcome back. So, as you know, and it's no secret nowadays, Google looks at website speed. It's a very important factor when it comes to ranking. The load time of a page will increase your conversions, obviously, and it'll decrease your bounce rate. Here's the definition when I Googled it. How important is website speed? Google has indicated site speed, and as a result, page speed is one of the signals used by the algorithm to rank pages. No surprise there. Page speed is also important to the user experience. Pages with a longer load time tend to have a higher bounce rate and lower average time on page. So there's a whole article here on the Moz site if you want to read that. But no secrets here. Okay, we all know that that's big ranking factor. And so I was taking a look at my Marketing Meathead site here. I did a video earlier in the week about the hack that I had. So one of the things that we had an issue with, we think, was a free WordPress plugin to increase the speed. We don't know for sure if the hacker came through that plugin or not, but I would highly advise you to really do your research before you use any plugins these days, especially because this isn't the first time I've been hacked. The video that I shot earlier in the week talks more about how they got into the root, and we had to pretty much destroy that server and move my entire business over to another server. It was pretty much an absolute nightmare, and we're still dealing with some of the repercussions from that. But anyway, this was where my site was at before I used the WP Rocket plugin. Okay, I was at 27 on mobile and 67 on desktop. Desktop wasn't terrible, but mobile obviously was really slow. 27 was pretty shitty. And I put the plugin on and it actually went down. Okay, now WP Rocket, I think it's only about $30 for a year for one site. And I bought like an unlimited license so I can use it on all my sites, and I have quite a few WordPress sites and blogs. But and then the desktop actually went up a little bit from 67 to 73. That was just installing the plugin, not doing really any optimization with the plugin. So I let my coder go ahead and do a little optimization. We removed a couple things that we didn't feel like were necessary. One was the Sumo Me. What Sumo Me was a plugin that we were using for like shares and stuff. That changed it by like 20%. So let's just analyze this so you can see, this is live here. I'm not, faking the numbers here. This is the website of mine. It's a WordPress site. It's got a pretty good amount of content on it. I think I'm up to like 100 blog posts. I have my ultimate guide on there. Now it's funny that was 97 just a few minutes ago, and now it's now that's on mobile, so that's good. Okay, so this is where we started, 27. We put the plugin on, we went down to 22. Okay, and then mobile now we're at 70. Okay, that's over. It's almost tripling. Yeah, it is actually tripling. So we tripled the speed on mobile, tripled it. I mean, that's significant. That's a lot of it's a lot of speed, and being in the 70 range here is pretty good on mobile. We'll take that. I'll take that with the amount of content and being a WordPress site. It's really tough to get a WordPress site. You can get it higher than this, but it's tough. I mean, there's a lot of code in it. It's what's called heavy coding. There's a lot of heaviness on a WordPress site. If your site is hand coded like an HTML, we run some of our landing pages like hand coded, and it makes it like lighter, so it loads quicker. But being a WordPress site on mobile, I'll take that. 70 is good, especially from 22, 27 where I was at before. Now let's take a look at desktop here. Boom, 97. All right, so now that's really good. So that's about as good as you're going to get. I mean, there's not much better than that. So on desktop, we're crushing it there. On mobile, and mobile we're at 70, so we'll take that. My coder was happy with this. I'm happy with this. So if you'd like to learn more about this particular plugin, it's called WP Rocket. I did go ahead and put an affiliate link on there. If you do buy it through my link, I do make a small commission. It is a pretty good plugin. And again, the importance I want to stress here is that you don't go out and just get any random plugin for your speed on your WordPress sites, because we really feel like that possibly was the way our whole server got hacked, was through a plugin. And it could have been through one of the speed plugins we were using. It may have not have been. There's really no way to tell, but using a legitimate company like WP Rocket, who you have to pay for it yearly, it's more likely that it's not going to be able to get hacked because they're actually keeping up on the code, and there's actually a legit company behind it. And I would highly recommend using a nice plugin like WP Rocket for your WordPress sites. Again, like I said, I bought an unlimited license, I think the whole year with, oh, by the way, I found a coupon here for WP Rocket too. If you want to go ahead and use this, you can get like a 10%. Just Google, discount WP Rocket or something like that. And then you get like a discount code, okay, and then go over to my link, the share a sale link that I'm going to include below. It's marketingmeathead.com/WP Rocket. Do it in an incognito window, and then go ahead and use my link to buy it, and then put the discount code in at checkout, and you'll get 10% off, okay? That way I still get credit, and then the discount will be applied at checkout. So pretty good plug-in here. I highly recommend it. You can see the results for yourself. Make sure you like this video if you like the content, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Bang that notifications bell. I'm the Marketing Meathead. We'll talk to you later. Thank you.